Hello guys, what's up? Today we will be talking about the brand new knife by SRM Knives and Tools. In fact, SRM stands for Stay Ready for More and the model is 9225 KB. Let's open the box. Now opening the box. Here we see some informative papers in the knife and some protection for the knife inside the box. So firstly, I'll show you the knife we have. It is a folding knife, in fact, and you simply can open it, fold it and unfold it like this. This is black and gray with some additional blue color pieces for the clip attachment, and I'll show you which one the knife is on the list. So, among the folding knives, ours is this one. There are also other models as well among the folding knives, and the company also produces some tactical fixed blade knives like these ones here, or other models like fixed blade knives here. They even make some shovels. Just check it. Apart from that, they are offering you some 7 days free replacement and 1 year free repair warranties. I'll show you the knife itself once more. You can see how it looks in my hand. SRM 9225 KB. Nice blade. In fact, I have been waiting for this one just to use it in my little pouch. Let me show you. This, in fact, fits this place very well, I believe. Together with my other tactical lights and paracord bracelets and some additional extra paracord. What do you think about it? Please let me know in the comments section below. That is all I will tell you about this blade for now. You can see some extra photos on my Instagram account as well. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.